Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here, welcome back to my channel. And today we're doing a little slick pony. We're doing a braided pony. She really wanted a Barbie pony, but we could not get the hair in time. Ignore the background. She was visiting me for the summer, and this was literally the day before she was leaving, so we were trying to get everything in order. But yeah, basically, she's never had her hair like this before. Like, she's had natural ponytails, but I never had to like press her hair for a ponytail, and I actually never really pressed for, I don't do ponytails. Anywho, I did not feel like doing it, child. I was tired. So I was like, Naya, I don't feel like doing it. And then she was like, it's okay. But then I saw that she was sad, and I was like, I'll do it. Because she started in high school, so I was just like, whatever. So I'm just trying to figure out like the best way to do it. When I usually do low ponytails. So I take sections and slick that so that it's nice and flat. I've never done like I haven't done a high ponytail in years, and never on natural hair. So I decided to like do it in sections like I do normally to try to get it as slick as possible. And usually when I use Got2b glue, I use a little bit of wax too, but usually when I use Got2b glue, it's extremely hard. But for some reason, it was not extremely hard on her hair. So the next day, some spots was hard, but some spots was soft. And I'm like, oh my God, I hope this lasts, because school wasn't until a week later. So I'm just like, Lord, I told her, look, you got to wrap this up. You cannot sweat. You cannot get it wet. As soon as you get it wet, it's over. So she said it lasted, child. I don't know what she was looking like, but she said it did last her. She kept it in for like a week. So I'm not going to talk too much, child. You see what I'm doing. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy. I don't know if it was before or after this. I feel like it was before this because her face looking sad. But my blow dryer gets so hot, and she got burned a little bit, and the pressing comb, child, and she want to sit here crying. I'm like, girl, I've pressed her hair before, but this is probably like my second time. So I was like, my bad, homie. Now that I'm watching this, I totally did a braided ponytail, a high braided ponytail, a natural hair before, but the density, the curl pattern, all that was different, but I absolutely did this style before. And here we have it. Simple, quick, back to school hairstyle. I don't know how long it took me, but I'll look back at the videos and I'll put it on the screen. Anywho, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and TTYL.